Imagine driving up to a secluded lake, the sunlight glinting off a futuristic 5-wheeled tricycle RV camper painted in a striking red hue. It's not just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece designed for the adventurer who demands luxury, innovation, and freedom all rolled into one. This camper is unlike anything you've ever seen, combining cutting-edge technology with the comforts of home to create the ultimate travel experience. The first thing you'll notice is its bold and aerodynamic design. The sleek curves and vibrant red finish demand attention, while its unique 5-wheel configuration offers both style and practicality. With 3 oversized tires at the front for unparalleled stability and 2 smaller ones at the back for precision control, this RV handles like a dream, whether you're navigating rugged trails, sandy beaches, or smooth highways. Its design ensures that every journey feels effortless and secure. Outside, the RV offers more than just good looks. Extended compartments cleverly integrated into the sleek body provide ample storage for all your essentials. Whether it's camping gear, fishing equipment, or even a set of bikes, this vehicle has room for it all. The smart storage solutions make packing and unpacking a breeze, so you can focus on the adventure ahead. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a space that redefines compact luxury. The interior is both functional and inviting, designed to maximize every inch of space without sacrificing comfort. The kitchenette is a highlight, featuring modern appliances like a sink, 2-burner stove, and mini fridge. It's perfect for cooking anything from a quick snack to a gourmet meal while surrounded by breathtaking views. The cozy bedroom is your private sanctuary on the road. Thoughtfully designed, it offers plush bedding, warm lighting, and a sense of serenity that ensures a restful night's sleep. Imagine waking up to panoramic views of nature, feeling refreshed and ready for the day's adventures. The bedroom may be compact, but it's packed with comfort and charm. The living area is equally impressive. Comfortable seating invites you to relax, while large windows frame the surrounding scenery, making you feel connected to nature wherever you are. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee or winding down with a good book, this space is designed to make you feel at home. What truly sets this camper apart is its ability to blend luxury with practicality. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. The advanced design and robust build mean you can tackle off-road challenges while still enjoying the comforts of a modern home. Whether you're parked by a tranquil lake, exploring mountain trails, or simply soaking up the beauty of the open road, this RV enhances every moment. It's not just about the destination, it's about the journey, and this camper ensures that every mile is an experience to remember. Its futuristic features, unmatched stability, and stylish interior create an environment where adventure meets comfort. This is the kind of vehicle that inspires you to go further, stay longer, and dream bigger. Imagine sitting by the lake, watching the sunset reflect off the RV's vibrant red exterior. Inside, the warm lighting creates a cozy ambiance as you prepare dinner in the kitchenette or relax in the bedroom. It's a scene straight out of a dream, and this RV makes it your reality. For those who seek freedom, adventure, and a touch of luxury, the 5-wheeled tricycle RV camper is a game changer. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about transforming the journey into a story, a memory, and a lifestyle. Wherever your dreams take you, this camper is ready to make it extraordinary.